Are you tired of seeing ChatGPT look like this? Well, I can make you go from this to this. And trust me, that makes ChatGPT 100 times better. And this way, it is able to perform better than the competitor AI as well, such as Bard or even Copilot. Can you imagine if you only had to use one AI tool ever and you don't even have to use Copilot or other AI tools, and ChatGPT can do everything for you exactly how you want? Well, here comes the cool part. There is a cool extension on Chrome which you can use to make your ChatGPT better, and that is known as AIPRM. So simply search for AIPRM for Chrome and you can add that to Edge as well. So if you're using Microsoft Edge, no worries, this will work there as well. As you can see, the first link is where you have to go. So open that up and there you can install this extension on your browser. I have already added it here, but you should get the option to get, and then as you click that, it will automatically add up. And you can read through here as well what cool features it brings. As you can see, it says right here that you can choose from 4,500 plus professional one-click prompts for ChatGPT. And what those are, I will show you in detail. And also this extension has a lot of users. As you can see, 2 million plus users, and that is a big number. It also has a good rating, and even on the free version you get to have a lot of things, such as you can add custom profiles. You can also access the advanced prompt search option, so that is cool. You don't have to pay anything at all. And the cool thing I really like about this is that you can simply grab a research and then paste it into ChatGPT, meaning you don't have to copy paste every single article. You can simply add the research there, and that works like a charm. So if we go back to ChatGPT, here we can select from a lot of prompts. So these are basically predefined prompts optimized for a specific need. For example, you can see it says human written 100% unique SEO optimized articles. So if this is what you're looking for, all you have to do is tap on this and very briefly describe what you want, and it will give you 100% unique SEO optimized articles. You don't believe me? Let's just have a try here. As you can see, I've given it a very basic prompt. All it says is that Korean comic book based website needs better SEO. So that is not a good prompt. But since we have this tool called AIPRM, we don't have to have a good prompt, and you can clearly see the result we have gotten. Have you ever gotten a response like this by using just ChatGPT on its own? Well, the answer is no. Of course you haven't, because you didn't know about this tool and how amazing it is. Now, if you are a company owner and run a social media page where you have to create ads and social posts, there is also something for that. If you simply click the search box here and search for social, and this will give you a lot of prompts to choose from. I'm gonna go with the first one, as it says it will create 30 social media posts and image suggestions with one click. I'm just gonna write my business name and what I need for the posts. And there we have our 30 ideas for ads, just with a simple one sentence. I didn't have to write so much. And if you have ever required ChatGPT to give you a certain number of things in return, you may already know this, that it always does not give you the exact number of things you need. But with this tool, it also gives you the exact number which you actually need. So for example, this prompt mentioned 30 social media posts and image suggestions, and it is gonna give you exactly that. So based on your business idea and also what you are doing with that business, it is going to generate 30 unique ideas for you along with an image description. So isn't that amazing? I'm absolutely stunned by this tool, and trust me, I always use this in everything I do. I have never looked back or used any other AI tool, because this makes my life so much easier. Let us know down in the comments, what do you guys think about this. One more thing to note here, if you also use AI image generative platforms, you can also use this tool to make your images 100 times better. For example, if I just search for Midjourney here, you can see we have a lot of prompts from Midjourney actually, and they also have a lot of viewers and users. So it also shows us how many people use this tool. So 1.6 million people have used this, and there are a lot of thumbs up here as well. So let's just use this one here as well. And once it's selected, all we have to do is describe our image. And okay, it also gives us the structure which we need for Midjourney. As you can see, it has also given us the prompts along with the attributes that we put in Midjourney. So that is really cool. And not only that, we have 4 unique prompts as well. So we can simply copy all of this from here and paste in Midjourney, and that will generate our image for us. And this is a really high written prompt from a very basic prompt we gave to ChatGPT. You can imagine how much better your images can turn out to be if you just use this tool. So that was all for today's video. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.